Are we awake? Are we here? Are we live? Good evening. What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys thought I was sleeping there for a second? Almost. But had 2 energy drinks before this live session tonight, so I should be awake for the next hour or so. I should be awake. Let's see. Welcome. Good evening. The market's still falling. They cannot catch a break. We saw a drop during the New York session today. We're still seeing them continue lower during this Asian session tonight. We'll see how it goes. We have micro Nasdaq on the left. We have micro gold on the right. Whichever one gives us a setup, we're going to take it. Oh, yeah. I mean, wow. It's a wild time to be around these markets, right? It's wild. How many? Ooh. What the hell just happened there? What the hell just happened there? The mark is like, I mean, it's called the Snooze with KV. The mark is like, I am not the one snoozing tonight. I will not be the one snoozing tonight. I will not be the one. I have no idea what that was, but welcome to the snooze, which tonight, it doesn't look like it's going to be much of a snooze, okay? Wow. It's always a fun time, right? It's always a fun time in these markets. Anyone coming into this session with an open position, or are we all flat for this evening? Flat. Everyone's flat, okay. What the hell was that? That was something. Giving us a heart attack here. Wolf says he made 1K. Look at Wolf there. On the drop, Wolf? Were you short before it dropped? That's one lucky bastard there. One lucky bastard. Xena was short as well. How were you? Damn. Were you guys not waiting for this session to start, or what's happening here? Oh, yeah. That was nasty. But at least we got some movement. At least we got some volatility, right? Probably favoring the short side on the Nasdaq this evening, right? So if we do get like a pullback, get a short opportunity, that's what I'm probably looking for. Gold, not much of a trend happening on gold there. It looks pretty sideways this evening, right? Opening prices right here for this session has dropped a little bit, comes back up now. It's super rangy for now. But wow, this is something tonight. How many points was that on the Nasdaq? From 520 to 440. Wow. I mean, it's like a normal move during the New York market, but for Asian session, it is not small, right? It's like what, 80 points? 80-point drop in a minute? It is not small. How many winning trades do we need tonight? 1, 2, 3? More? Interesting, the inverse relationship tonight, right? Gold pumped, Nasdaq dropped. Looking at the Nasdaq here, kind of like zooming out a little bit to where we are in the bigger time frame. We were kind of holding this range here for a couple of days. Broke, fake breakout, comes back down. We've been dropping since, you know, basically Monday open here. Pulling back, there will be some demand when we hit the 350s here, which could happen tonight. It's about 100 point lower. Could happen tonight, we'll see. And for you VWAP lovers out there, there's a trend anchored VWAP from the bottom of July, which I believe is, yeah, it's the bottom of this summer, right? Kind of that bottom before we popped here. So if you have the anchor VWAP from that swing low right there, as you can see, we're actually approaching that pretty quickly. So let's actually mark that on our chart just so we have that. Looks like it's around, what is that, 385-ish? Doesn't have to be exact, just like an area for us to keep in mind. It's not too far, right? It's not too far. We could look for a type of bounce reversal play if we actually go down there, okay? We'll see. Oh, we'll see. But the trend following plan is still in play, right? So the pullback to the VWAP comes back down. We're still looking for that short there at the VWAP at the 531 area. Gold, I'm not really looking at gold right now. It's not looking great. Had a winner this morning on gold, so maybe gold is enough for the day. Maybe let's look elsewhere, right? Let's look elsewhere. Let's look elsewhere. Much more volatile this afternoon or this evening, right? Than we've usually seen during this time. Will says retracement for another drop. That's what I'm waiting for if we're following the trend, really. Retrace a little bit higher. This is not enough of a retracement. You guys could probably enter early a bit here, but for me, it's not enough of a retracement. Probably need this to go, you know, 520s, 530s up here. And then we'll look for another possible short. If it can go there. Could easily reject here as well, but looking for like a proper retracement to take another short here. Snooze, guys, happens both Tuesday and Thursday, okay? A lot of you guys join Tuesday, but not of you join Thursday. I don't know what's going on. Tuesday and Thursday, same place, same time. It's not like it's a Friday and you're out somewhere. It's Thursday night. You're either trading or in bed. Or trading in bed as well. That could also be happening. That could also be happening. There's nothing else that you're doing on a Thursday night, right? Yep, Thursday night as well. If you didn't know, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. We are getting that drop on the Nasdaq a little bit earlier than expected there. We'll see. We'll wait. I did also get my hands on a official My Funded Futures Hyperprop account the other night. I actually have the video coming out on the channel later on. I just have to kind of publish it. It works. Oh my God, it's so smooth. So smooth, it's like butter, you know? The accounts are not yet officially like able to buy, right? You can't go to My Funded Futures to buy them right now, but when they are, I will let you guys know. I will publish the beta testing that I did myself later on tonight, so you have a sneak peek of the platform. But it is by far, okay, like I'm not even kidding, by far the best futures trading platform, okay? Doesn't compare with TradingView, Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, TradeC, what you name it, Quant Tower. Like, it does not even, oh my God, please, it's not even in the conversation. It will make your guys' life so much easier. It will make your trades so much more easy to execute. No lag, no spreads. Like, oh, it's, again, butter. They should have probably named it Butter Prop, not Hyper Prop. I'll probably ask them to rename the platform probably, but super, super smooth. They will obviously, Joey is saying, are they better than Top One? Well, it's not a platform, Joey. It's a platform, okay? It's a platform. Just like you use TradingView, Tradeovate, right? It's a platform. They will be expanding to more prop firms, but they will be launching with My Funded Futures as the first prop firm. And then probably expanding to all of the other prop firms out there. But it's better than, again, any platform that you have placed an order before. Like, again, you'll see my video on YouTube. I'm going to post it probably after I'm done with this session. It's ready to be published, so I'm probably going to publish that after we're done here, after we can collect some money from the market. It's just, oh my God. I believe they have a mobile app as well coming out at the same time, but I'm not sure. Not sure. I know the mobile app is being worked on, but I'm not sure if it's going to be ready for the launch. Steven says butter prop. I'm telling you, they should have named it butter prop. They should have. Will says, is My Funded Futures doing Pokemon card loot boxes also? They are actually. Will, I don't know if you have, do you have access to my emails or something? Do you have access to my emails? Because literally, I just got the email today. I got an email today from My Funded Futures that if you have, so basically, it's like a quote-unquote club that they're opening where it's by invitation only, right? So you get invited, you're inside the club, and you basically get to open up these kind of like rare cards where you can win stuff. You can win accounts, you can win discounts, you can win a bunch of stuff. But it's invite only. I just got invited today. And if you guys were planning to open any My Funded Futures accounts, okay, today, I was going to send an email later on, but since Will is asking there, if you use the code STASH at checkout, you will also be in the club. Does that make sense? Like if you're not part of the My Funded Futures, I forgot what they call it. What's the official name for it? Will, do you know? Let me just check. There's an official name for it. It is called the club, My Funded Club. Yeah, it's called the My Funded Club. Yeah. So if you do buy an account by tonight with the code STASH, you're automatically in the club. And you will also receive a welcome pack, as far as I know. I have no clue what the welcome pack is, guys. It's those mystery boxes, let's call it, right? Is it like that, right? Am I explaining correctly? I feel like a lot of prop firms are starting to do this, right? We had Lucid that did it with the Lucid cases. Let's see, maybe I have my... Okay, looks like I have... Let me actually share my screen here. Let me see if I can share my screen. While we're waiting for the NASDAQ, because we are still waiting for the NASDAQ, okay? To give us an entry for a pullback play. We're still watching that. Don't forget about the NASDAQ, please. But in the meantime, I can show you guys a quick sneak peek of this. Where is it? Okay, so it's called the My Funded Club. It's invite only. And there's basically these packs that you can open up, right? I have 0 points. Okay, I just got inside the club today. But again, as I said, if you do buy a My Funded Futures account with the code STASH by tonight, you get invited to the club. And they also give you one of these packs for free. I'm not sure which pack it is. I have no clue. Point pack, micro pack, mini pack. I literally have no clue what the packs even are. Each pack contains... It's interesting. That's all I can say. And it's free, right? Like they're giving out these packs for free, obviously with the purchase, but not sure if I can find the email as well that I got from them. Let's see if I can find the email. Is NASDAQ doing anything? Guys, well, you're distracting me with this today, with this My Funded. I was literally going to send an email. You're here looking for Pokemon cards. God damn it, Will. I have to explain now because I'm not gonna... We're waiting. We're waiting for that pullback to the view up. 100%. Evelyn, as far as I know, it's until tonight. That's what the email said. For today only. And they put that in bold letters. And they sent the email at like 5 p.m. I'm like, how can you say like it ends today and you send it at 5 p.m.? Like, give me some time. Kevin says my chart is different than your chart. I'm on micro. I think that was an issue last week as well with you, Kevin. How is it different than my chart? Are we paying for real-time data, Kevin? Are we paying for real-time data on TradingView? Because it's a $7 fee with TradingView to pay for real-time data on micro NASDAQ. Because I feel like that's the only reason why you might be delayed. Zena, whichever plan you want, the rapid end of day, in my opinion, is probably the best account they got right now. So I'd probably go with that if you're looking to choose the best account they have. Steven, why are you so unlucky? Why? Getting that pullback here on the micro Nasdaq. Let's see. VWAP, previous day low. Nice zone there to take a short. Let's see. Is there any way you can put your window in the bottom left so I can see the chart? You don't need to see the chart on the left. What happened here is past. It's history. This is what's happening now. What do you guys need to see? Like, what's happening up here? This is... It's gone. It's not in the picture anymore. Plus, I thought my beautiful face was nice here in the top left corner, no? God damn it. God damn it, guys. But seriously, like, what's about... It's past price action. It's gone. Forget about it. This is what we're focusing on. If we hit 521, okay, that's the VWAP, daily VWAP. See some sellers, get a confirmation we're entering those shorts, okay? Is that clear? Does that make sense? But I do appreciate the feedback, though. We'll see where I can move my face. Maybe I can just disappear it. Maybe I can just disappear my face. You guys are just... What do you want to see on that top left corner? Look, okay. What are you going to see? There's nothing there. It's just micro Nasdaq, like, it's just... We'll move it here for now. Let's see. Maybe for now, okay? There's no secrets up there. It's literally just the name of the market, which I already said what we're looking at. We just hit the VWAP, looking for a confirmation from sellers. The time and the instruments never change. It's always 1 minute time frames. It's always micro Nasdaq on the left, always micro gold on the right. Always. Well, until we might change something, but for now that's what it is. And that's what it is for now. Okay, getting some sellers there. Let's see if we can get a confirmation so we can enter those shorts. Entering shorts here on the Nasdaq. We got the confirmation. Let's see, it's moving quickly. Shorts on the Nasdaq. Okay, moving in our favor. Can we see this drop? Give me a... No, it's not dropping. No. I have to start praying now. I have to start praying. If we lose this trade tonight, it's all because I've moved my picture on the bottom left corner, because I've always had it on the top left corner. So if this trade is a loser, that's the reason. I'm not gonna blame you guys. I'm not gonna blame the market. I'm definitely not gonna blame myself. That would be like super stupid to blame myself. Imagine if I blamed myself for a trade I took. How stupid would that be? But because I moved my video frame there on the bottom left corner, that is a valid reason, right? Is it a valid reason or no? I'd say so. It's pretty valid, you know. I don't know. There was someone in the chat asking me to move it, you know? They wanted to see this space up here. I don't know what's so special about it. I don't know. No clue what's so special about that space there, but I do like you guys, so I will listen to you guys, okay? I will not take orders, absolutely not, but I will listen to you guys. Time to time, right? Not always, but time to time I will do that. Looking for a first trim. If it hits 492, okay, 492, I take my first target. That's 492. We are at a round number right now, so I'm just patiently waiting for this 500 level to break. But if it breaks, we should see a quick spike down. I would say so. I believe at 492. Okay. Or maybe not. I think I'm gonna blame the picture. I think I'm gonna blame it. I think I'm gonna blame it tonight. Placing a hard stop loss on this one just in case it does spike higher. 526 as a stop loss, okay? 526 as my stop loss. If it goes higher, basically if it breaks this previous high, 526 is the stop loss on this NASDAQ play. Close to the stop loss, very close. Stopped out. We're moving the picture frame. I'm sorry guys, we have to move it. We have to move it back to the lucky spot there. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno on that one. Moved in our favor for a little while, right? But no follow through on that one. Looks like we might see a trend change. Flat for now. Waiting for the next one. Who told me to move the picture? That 500 level though was strong, right? Pretty strong. Volume pretty consistent throughout, you know, throughout this whole move. We didn't really see a spike in volume either. Look at that move there. Wow. Glad I got out in time looking at this right now. Wow, buyers really picked up there. That is something. That is something. Now that we did see this trend change, flipping the sentiment to bullish, right? This same zone now becomes demand. If we do get a pullback, hold, looking for the upside there. Obviously not chasing this move right now because that would be super stupid, but if it pulls back, holds, that's what we're looking at. Gold on the other side, it did break the session high for this evening, but no follow through. I mean, it's not doing much right now. Doesn't look like it has that much power, gold, tonight for now. Could definitely change. Could definitely change. What are you guys thinking here? Do we get a pullback for another trade or what's going on here? Scott says gold sell. That could be something. Don't want to go against the session trend though, which is technically going higher above the VWAP, above opening price. Probably waiting for a pullback on each one of these markets, really. Waiting for a pullback here. Do we get a pullback? Please. Does it work when you say please to the market? Or it doesn't work? Did post a little announcement in the chat there, guys. For those of you obsessed with Pokemon cards like Will, My Funded Futures has opened a My Funded Club, invite only. Basically, you get to open secret kind of like surprise boxes. I just got it at the invite today. If you want, okay, if you want to get an account by the end of the night using code STASH at checkout, any account is eligible. If you want, you can get the cheapest account. You get invited, you get enrolled like literally tonight on the My Funded Club. And they also give you a free welcome pack, which there could be some nice stuff in there. I don't know what stuff because I don't make the rules. I just follow the rules. But if you're like, KV, I just wanted those cards, man. I just need one of those surprise boxes. There it is. Because I've seen people in socials going crazy about those. Zena says, I bought one. Did you see, Zena? Were you automatically enrolled? Does it come up as an option on your account already? I don't know if it's like instant or you have to wait a little bit. It should be on your it should be on your left side. It should say My Funded Club. And you should probably see a free pack that you can open. Yeah, I don't know if it's instant or not. Maybe it's after the night ends, right? I don't know. But you should get that invitation. Is the market going to pull back or no? It's gone. Back at opening price, literally where this market opened up this session. Literally where it opened up, it doesn't have much. I mean, it's not too far from the session high either. It's not that far. Zena says, I see it now. My funded club. Awesome. Part of the club now. Damn, they are gamifying these platforms like crazy. But it looks like it worked pretty well for Lucid since My Funded Futures is doing it now, right? I don't know. I guess it's cool. I guess it's cool. Anyone in a open position right now? Do we have anything open, guys? Or are we waiting? But that was one hell of a reversal, really. That was something tonight. That was something. And if you are in the position, don't be shy, right? We listen, but we don't judge. We listen, but we don't judge. You could be on a super nice setup, really. It could be people still holding longs, right? Still looking for this to go higher. Still looking for the Nasdaq to go to session high. Still could be a possibility. Still be a possibility. Why, Evelyn? You're getting sleepy? You're getting snoozy? We've still got about 20 minutes on this session. Do we get a pullback before those 20 minutes is over? Imagine if one... Should I pull an all-nighter one night? Start at 8 p.m. like we do and then trade until the New York market opens at 9:30? Would you guys be down for that? How many hours would that be? 13-hour stream? Damn, that would be crazy. That would be nuts. I don't think there's... Has anyone done it before? Probably not. 13-hour stream. Imagine you just wake up at like 3 a.m. and I'm still there. I don't know though. I don't know if I could do it. I would probably need to sleep during the day. Oh really, Michelle? That's insane. Awake 24 hours? Awake 24 hours? Question is, do you ever DCA? Absolutely not. No. Absolutely not. I do like to scale out though, right? I do like to scale out. So if we open 5 contracts, I'm going to scale out with 3 and then 2 and then whatever, right? So I do scale out, but I do not scale in. I do not DCA. I'd rather just wait for that right entry, go in with as much size as I can handle, and just slowly exit. Gold's still looking strong. I'm not sure if I would buy up here, but if anyone's still holding, I mean, it still looks strong. Yeah, that's right, Joe. I don't know if I would do really a 12-hour. That would be insane. I mean, if I get paid for it, I could probably do it. No, even if I get paid, I know. That would be just crazy. Both markets are at areas where, again, the longs are still holding, but I would not go long right now, if that makes sense, right? It's like still good. It's just not a right point to enter. And that's why I said, like, I'm looking for a pullback, so it gives us a more probable entry, basically. But yeah, buyer's pretty strong, really. Really, really strong tonight. NASDAQ, both gold. The V-shape on NASDAQ was just something else. Gold might be pulling back there a little bit. Question there. I am first time here coming from Forex. I don't understand your edge yet, but how can you judge the move without seeing higher time frame or larger context? We should reverse soon. I like the question. I don't like how you ended it though. We should reverse soon. There's no such thing, really. The market can do whatever it wants, you know. We might reverse soon. I think we can reverse soon, but not we should. Because the market doesn't have to do anything really. But yeah, always keep in mind where we are in the bigger time frames. Depending on how long your trades are going to be. I know you guys that do trade Forex, you're probably looking for longer term plays, maybe swinging trades overnight and all of that, which yes, it becomes even more important to be aware of those higher time frames. But if you're just looking for like a quick scalp, a quick day trade, it can help, but I feel like it adds more noise than it actually helps you. I really am just focused on the shorter time frame trends. What are we doing for the day? What are we doing for the week? Because you're always going to get, like, no matter if the markets are uptrending or downtrending, you're always going to get short opportunities, long opportunities. Plus, why does it matter where we are in the higher time frame if Trump just comes out with a tweet right now, you know? There's no higher time frame that can go against Trump. Impossible. We are hitting EMA, but again, even doesn't matter. We could hit whatever EMA you want. The market could still pass through that EMA. It's never guaranteed that it will do something once, you know, it hits an EMA or a level or whatever. You always want to try to react more than predict. Be like, hey, you know, if it breaks the EMA or if it breaks whatever I'm looking at, I will enter long or I will enter short. But not, hey, you know, just because an EMA is here, it will reverse here. It could, right? I'm not saying it won't. It could, but it's never guaranteed. That's the cool thing and the sad thing as well at the same time about trading is no matter how much you know and how well you know, you could still have it wrong, really. I wish we can drop though, because I am looking for a drop so we can get that actual pullback, but if it comes, great. If it doesn't, then great. We'll stay here for 12 hours until it comes. Still thinking about it. I will think about it, guys. 12-hour stream. Can I take at least like a quick sleep break though? Maybe like I just need like half an hour, you know? Just a quick half an hour nap, 30-minute nap, a power nap. Is that allowed? I can't be here alone though. Like, you guys gotta... Okay, so maybe some of you guys could stay with me until sometime, and then, you know, it's like the next shift comes on. Just like, KV, I'm clocking out, you know, are the next guys coming? Yep. Yep. We might be getting this pullback here. We might be getting this pullback. System is pretty easy. You wait for a trend, you wait for a pullback to a VWAP, anchored VWAP level, you wait for a close above it, you enter. That's it. The most simplest system in the world, the most boring system in the world. That's why it's called the snooze, you know, because we just wait. We trade, wait. We either take profits or hit the stop loss. Wait. We are pulling back though. I know we're getting close to the 9 p.m., but we might wait a little bit longer if we actually do start getting that pullback, because it looks interesting. I'm really interested in giving that another shot for the upside, looking at the longs if it does pull back a little bit more there. What is that? 530s-ish? We're going to give out 2 my funded future accounts as well tonight. If you also did join the my funded club, you get 2 times the entries, right? So instead of just entering once, I'll enter your name twice tonight. But everyone gets to participate for free. Free 99. We're going to give out 2 accounts. I'm just waiting a little bit more on the NASDAQ. Maybe it gives us something. If not, we can just run the giveaway, go back to sleep. But we'll probably be starting to post a lot more content on my funded futures, just because Hyperprop launches with them pretty soon. So just getting you guys familiar with, you know, the different plans they have and whatnot. They are pretty interesting. VWAPs are at kind of like a default, I would say. Question is, are VWAPs at default? In some way, yeah. Maybe not. Make sure it is, the bands are not showing, right? As you can see, there's no bands, it's just a VWAP. And also the source is OHLC divided by 4, okay? This is if you're manually adding the VWAP, right? The source is always OHLC divided by 4. No pullback. Gold stuck in that range as well there. Stuck in that range. Getting a pullback on gold there. Very aggressive pullback, actually. No. Still flat. No, I have not opened anything. Waiting for Nasdaq, really. Gold is not really doing much, in my opinion. It did pull back to the VWAP. I'm just not interested in this price action. It just looks a bit ugly for me. Could still work. I'm just not interested, really. Nasdaq is pulling back though, so looking to go for some longs if it does pull back at 530 here. We do get the hourly candles in 2 minutes as well. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Oh my god, look at the price action on gold. That's what I'm saying with gold. Like it looks a bit crazy tonight. It looks a bit crazy. Look, I mean, just look at the way gold is reacting right now. It's insane. It's on crack. Just... that was an insane move on gold, really. Still waiting. I'm gonna wait again. It's 9 p.m. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes on this Nasdaq. If it gives us a confirmation, probably send you guys. Let me maybe just send you the giveaway form right here on the chat real quick, so you have it. And as we're waiting for the Nasdaq. Just waiting for a candle to close above this area, which we just got it. Longs on the NASDAQ. Gonna test this out. Last trade of the night here. Okay. If it works, it works. We'll recoup those losses. If it doesn't, we'll end the night. Send that giveaway. But yeah, wow, my God, gold is just... That is crazy. Yeah, I don't know if it was that was the best setup, Joe. Really. But it did work out, so we'll see. Okay, moving higher here on the NASDAQ. Moving higher. Can we recoup those losses with this or what? Okay. Take a first trim here. First trim in. There she goes. Come on. Come to Papa. Nice candle there. Juicy candle. Let's see if we could push higher. No drawdown on this trade yet, and there shouldn't be any drawdown, okay? If this trade does pull back with this locked-in profit, it should be pretty good. $20 points on that first trim. Let's see if we go higher. Again, the big money is made if we can go higher. That's where the big bucks are made. Make a second trim here. Wow. Okay. Just waiting for day high to fully exit out of this one. 2 trims in on the NASDAQ. 27 points on this so far. If we get another 10 points, we go to day high. That's how you recoup your losses for the night. NASDAQ does not get me tonight. I get her, okay? I get her. I'm gonna place a last exit at 580. Let's see, 584. 584 is my last exit. And while we wait for that, I will send the giveaway form right here. Okay. Come on. Just a little bit higher. And there she is, locked in profits. Locked in. All out, all flat. Super nice trade. Super duper nice. Green on the night, actually. That ended us green in the night. That was a nice one. Slightly green, right? I could just buy myself some just broke dinner, you know. It's not enough for a dinner in New York tonight, but it's just, I think I can get myself like a little sandwich from the deli or something. It's fine. I think it will do for tonight. Giveaway form is open, guys. Again, everyone is free. It's free to join the giveaway. We're giving out 2 accounts tonight by My Funded Futures. I'll show you which accounts in a minute. If you do open, again, if you do open a My Funded Futures account, By the end of the night with code STASH, you get to join the My Funded Club. Okay, I will send out an email explaining everything, but if you do open it right now, you can actually double your chances to win in the giveaway. I saw a couple of you guys actually done that, entered for double the chances, which is great to see as well. Hopefully no one just pressing yes, because I can see if you guys are buying those accounts or not, okay? Don't just click yes there. I can see. But yeah, I'll just wait until everyone enters the giveaway. We'll run the giveaway. And off we go for the night. And Nasdaq's still running. Nasdaq's still running. Two more minutes to enter the giveaway. I'm closing up the form in 2 minutes. Nasdaq's still at those highs. Oh, wow. Okay. A minute left until I close this giveaway form. You guys enjoyed this session tonight? I think it was a fun one, right? A little bit of emotions going on, a little bit intense session, but we made it out alive. We made it happen. We made it happen. Okay, closing the giveaway form here shortly. Give me a second. Okay, just closing the giveaway form, guys. Let me just export these things, put them on the duck race. The duckies? Have you guys fed the ducks lately? Please tell me you have. Please tell me we're not gonna deal with some skinny ducks tonight. We don't want to deal with any of that, please. Just give me a second, guys, here. Scott, what do you mean good night? You didn't enter the giveaway? You're not waiting for the duck race? What? Scott? Okay, just putting you guys in the ducks now. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see if there's no duplicate people, because you guys like to do that sometimes, you know? Sometimes you like want to scheme the system here. It cannot be schemed, guys. Let me just double check. Okay, looks like you guys didn't do anything tonight, which is good. Okay, 2 races. Let me share the racing screen. Okay, ducks are in order. Before we run the duck race, we're gonna be giving out the. I'm not sure which one should we give out. Builder or rapid? Let's do the. Should we do rapid? Let's do rapid. Why not? Original rapid accounts, guys, for My Funded Futures. 2 days to pass. Okay. All you got to do is make $3,000 from that, and you pass. Once you get these accounts funded, they have daily payouts. Okay. $50,000 rapid accounts with My Funded Futures. We're clear? Does it make sense? I hope it does make sense. Okay, we have the ducks in order. Quick question in the chat there. Does Hyperprop work with TradingView? No, it's its own separate platform. So it will not work with TradingView because it's much better than TradingView. Oh, wow. There is a cheater on this game, right? Why is this beak? Like, what's going on there? No, we're not going to allow that. We're not going to allow that. Someone is... We're going to refresh, shuffle the characters. Oh, again, the one with a beak like that. What is going on here? Okay, the ducks are in order now. The ducks are in order. We still have a little like clown there. Do you think that's going to make a difference? Let's try one more time. Okay, now we have just ducks. Okay, I'm not going to allow any cheaters on this game here. The more you hit the like button, and the more duck emojis you send in the chat, usually the faster these ducks will move. Okay, just so you guys know. I don't make the rules, I just follow the rules. Are we all clear? Should I start this race for a My Funded Futures $50,000 rapid account? Should I? I should. Bum, 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 bum. Let us see. RR. Risk and return leading this. Is that what RR stands for? Guys, I told you. Put first name and last name initial. What's RR? What does that even mean? I will have no clue who won the race. We got Batman leading this race. Panda up top. Edith as Panda leading for now. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Oh my god, this is just... Oh my god. $15 seconds left. Michelle leading. The dinosaur leading. Bum, 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 bum. 7 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joy snatched this one. Number 1, Duck snatched the race. Joy, congrats. Congrats. Joy first place. Kanisha. Oh my god, Kanisha. Kanisha had double the chances to win because she bought an account with My Funded Futures tonight. She got second place and third place. Kanisha, what are your ducks doing here? What do you mean you got second place and third place? You couldn't get first place with 2 ducks? Congrats to Joy, though. It deserves something. Look, I don't make the rules. I just follow the rules. But we have one more try. Maybe on the next one. Maybe on the next one. We'll see. We're gonna race one more time. Should I set the timer? Let's go. 60 seconds left to this. Someone cannot win twice, right? We already tried that last week when Joe won twice in a row. That can't happen. We're not allowing that here. Again, the more likes, the more duck emojis, the faster your duck goes, guys. Follow the rules. I don't make the rules. The rules are the rules, okay? Come on now. Play by the rules. It's a free account. Who else is giving you a free account at 9:20 p.m. at night? I can't even get dinner with how much profits I made this session. You guys here are getting free accounts. Someone's gonna snatch this, and it's gonna be Nathaniel Norris. Good job, Nathaniel. Your duck actually did something today. Your duck actually did something. Congrats, Nathaniel. Should we see the other places? Should we see? Kanisha second place. What is going on? What is going on? Oh my god. Xena got the third place. Oh my god. Kanisha so close, but also so far. Oh my god. I don't know. You guys have to feed your ducks more. You have to feed your ducks more. What else can I say? Okay. What else can I say? Congrats to Joey. Congrats to Nathaniel. I'm gonna get those accounts sent to you as soon as I can. The My Funded Club is still open. Okay, it's invite only. If you want to get access to these packs, as long as you buy an account by the end of the night with code STASH, you get invited by myself because I'm already an insider. I'm already part of the Illuminati, you know? I'm just inviting you guys to come in. You get invited, you get access, and you get a free pack to open as well. I don't even have free packs. I can even open a free pack myself. And you guys can definitely do that as long as you get an account with code STASH, STASH, by the end of the night. We'll do this again on Thursday. Same time, same place. Thursday night, Asia session, 8 p.m. Eastern. Until then, good luck and enjoy your evening.